So this is one very important area to discuss. You get a lot of questions from this. You need to understand it very, very clearly. So you need to listen very carefully. So we have two important types of dentition. One is primary dentition, another one is secondary dentition. Primary dentition is also called as temporary teeth. Secondary dentition is also called as permanent teeth. Temporary teeth also called as milk teeth because of the color, right? So how many temporary teeth you had? 20 temporary teeth you had, and now we have 32 permanent teeth. 20 temporary, 32 permanent. If you want to see the location of the teeth, remember this is a quadrant of the teeth. For the patient, this side will be right side, this side will be left side, right? For the patient, this side will be right side, this side will be left side. What I do is I take one particular quadrant alone, right upper quadrant. Let me check the teeth available. You look at the teeth, we have central incisor, lateral incisor, canine, molar 1, molar 2. From the midline, if you go, you have central incisor, lateral incisor, canine, molar 1, molar 2, temporary teeth. So each quadrant will have 5 teeth. 5 into 4 quadrants, you will get 20. Now coming to permanent teeth, when you talk about permanent teeth, you can see that here you'll be having central incisor, lateral incisor, canine, premolar 1, premolar 2, molar 1, molar 2, molar 3. Remember, we have got 8 teeth in each quadrant of permanent teeth, and 8 into 4 will get 32 teeth. Right? What is the difference between temporary dentition and permanent dentition? You can see there are 2 premolars in permanent teeth and 3 molars. 2 premolars, 3 molars. Right? Whereas in your temporary teeth, we don't have any premolars at all. When only in permanent teeth, you have 2 premolars and 3 molars. Remember, this is important. Now, going for the eruptions. Once you know about this, once you're clear with this, we have to go for the eruption sequence. Right? Let us talk about the eruption sequence. When you talk about temporary teeth, you can remember the mnemonic IMCM. I am Chief Minister. IMCM. What is it? IMCM. I for incisors, M for molar 1, canine, molar 2. That is the sequence. Remember, this is very important. Incisors, molar 1, canine, molar 2. IMCM. Incisors, molar 1, canine, molar 2. Of all the incisors, which is the first incisor to develop, the lower central incisor will be the first incisor to develop in any person. Right? Now coming to the permanent dentition. When you talk about permanent dentition, the permanent dentition starts with molar 1. That itself is MCQ. The temporary dentition started with lower central incisor, whereas the permanent dentition started with molar 1. That itself is MCQ. Right? After molar 1, we have central incisor, lateral incisor, premolar 1, premolar 2, canine, molar 2, and molar 3. Right? That is the sequence. This sequence is so very important.